Good morning everyone. So today we have with us Mr. Dilip Tikle. He is the founder and consultant at Connect Dots. Having a 3.5 decade experience, he has joined us today to put some light on the role of analytics in the world of business management. So welcome sir.
Thank you.
So I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Please.
So what is the role of an MBA in today's business management situation?
We have a major role to play because today's business is not traditional business models. This is based on information, based on technology, based on business integration. So in that, I think MBAs have a better role to play. So somebody may have a crazy idea, but how to implement in today's context. You require funding, so you need to understand the different modes of funding. You require the business processes. Today, business is more of integration than a development. So, as Bill Gates used to say that, so you have a business idea on a Friday and Monday you have a business. And that reality is today because of cloud and other technology integration capabilities. So, I think MBA has a major role to play into today's business. I'm being convinced onto this. Only you must have a relevant skills and knowledge rather than having an older frameworks because those are no more valid in that sense. So I think MBA have a major role to play, especially in marketing, business operations, communications, and integration capabilities.
So, sir, being a startup consultant yourself, what should be the target company of an MBA graduate? Should it be a startup or should it be a very well-established MNC?
I'm not sure about this, but what I'm trying to say is that the opportunities at both the ends. Startup, there is a risk. But the ability, if the individuals have ability to identify the potential of an idea for a longer duration or have a visibility beyond certain thing, then they must go to startup. One of the challenges is that the conviction itself is very low and then the things are not working. And in a large company, sometimes you lose yourself because you don't get an opportunity or exposure to work in all the aspects of business. Many times you've been restricted to certain areas. And those kind of jobs are reducing every day. So, given a choice, going to startup is a good idea. But if you do not have enough maturity, then spend some time in good company, understand the business processes well, and then probably pick up the right one, which you would love to continue and contribute back to the society.
So, sir, when we say words analytics and entrepreneurship together, what comes to your mind?
This is the perfect time to talk about these two words together. Most of the businesses successful today, which are data driven, whether it is Google or whether it is Facebook or digital or social engineering, social models, mobile applications, financial transactions, digital marketing, everything is data driven. Everything is data driven. And they do not require huge capital. What they require is good understanding of data, data processing, real-time data processing, analyzing data. So I think many businesses which are starting today, startups also, they are primarily based on data. Either it is GPS, GIS, locational data, your procurement data, financial data or anything. You don't see an application without data has been greatly successful. Okay, so that's the reason I feel this is a perfect time for a combination of these two words.
Yes, it's a world of data.
Absolutely.
So, sir, what is the part of business analytics in the whole world of business management currently?
Okay, so as I said that earlier business was like a gladiator. So you used to do everything on your own and people used to build the complete reverse processing cycle business support system. Today we are saying no, it's a business of integration. It's a teamwork business. So I use, maybe a DHL or maybe a Blue Dart as my courier partner. I can use, NPCI as my financial transaction partner. I can make, the integration capabilities of this one. So naturally the business time, business capital, business investments have gone substantially low because now it's a game of integration. If I can do a better orchestration of the applications which I have, I can start my business as early as possible, as economic as possible. Okay, and that's the reason why I believe that data analytics will have a future. In fact, I don't know, but data analytics will have a major role to play. Whether it is healthcare, transportation, human preferences, human profiling, business profiling, digital marketing. I don't understand without data analytics where you will go. And the world is fully based. Look at the data today, economy's growth, everything which is based on data. And world has now realized that data analytics has a major role to play. Till now we were trying to convince people that data analysis is a way to go. But now I think people are convinced that data analytics is a way to go. Now it is our skill and ability to, probably make it more refined, more sharper, so that it is user friendly. It's not very complex in nature, and the quick data will help people to probably analyze faster, take a faster decision making. More reliable data is needed. The kind of capability which people have in the form of mobile, the real-time data at the root level is being created. Earlier, even accessing this data itself was a nightmare, but now we don't have. So I think it's a best of the time for data analytics, and have an important role in the world to play. Whether it is economy, humanity, social engineering, or any part, whatever you take any part. But I think we have a role to play as a professional.
Thank you, sir. So the last question for the day: how was your experience at VDS?
Every time it is enhancing experience, because there are very few institutions who focus onto certain areas. I found that VS, especially the business school, has focused on data analytics, and which is very important. They did not did it today because market is hot here. They did probably, I think, 2015. If my association has been for long. So from that onward, they have a conviction that this is the way things are going to work tomorrow. And every time it is enhanced. When I come here, I listen to something more. I listen to something more advanced. It's a learning for me also to how this particular sector is growing, how this particular business practice has been evolving over a period of time. People were not thinking of even healthcare in seriously, but in the next 3 years, as you know, I come from Pune all the way, and I see a major demand is there, not for knee surgeons, but people who are going for computerized knee surgery. The demand and bookings are more there because they find it more precise, more accurate, more reliable. So this is something which is new. That's something which is, I think, happening really great. And I wish that they should keep this focus and they should emerge as one of the leaders in the space of data analytics, because that's one area which is going to grow in bigger way. And I think the students will get benefited, faculties will evolve, they will develop, and naturally the institute will get benefited. That's my opinion.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and all your insights. We look forward to seeing you next time.
I also look forward to see you all again. Wish you all the best. Thank you.